today. It was a successful event and I am so happy na kahit na merong talo, nanalo pa rin kami with the heart of the audience and napanalo namin yung school namin. Kahit na kinapos ng ilang points, okay lang yan dahil may experience pa rin kami for this today. Thank you po. Thank you, Alta Productions.
Po, the event was really fun and sobrang saya naman po. Naging challenging po siya pero okay naman po siya overall and maganda rin po yung venue. Ang ganda rin po nung kanilang system, especially yung laptop, and really fun po. I had a lot of fun po dito. Thank you po.
Sa naging experience ko po dito sa Senior High School Digital Challenge, maganda naman po siya at naging enjoyable naman po siya sa akin. Kahit medyo po, di po ako masyadong nakasagot ng masyadong marami. Naka-enjoy po rin po ako kasi kasama ko din po yung mga ibang kakasi ko and yung mga ibang teachers din po na sumusuporta po sa amin. And sana po sa next challenges po or mga activities na pwedeng mangyari sa the following weeks or the following months, sana din maging enjoyable din po kami. And sana next year pwede po pa ako bumawi.
This is a very exciting and very interesting event to the audience. We participated also and very encouraging na lahat tayo never stop on learning process. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you to Alta. And then happy naman ako. Kaya lang medyo nervous. Above all, masaya.
As I was watching po kanina, I was amazed po sa kanila kasi yung ability po nila mag-work under pressure and para makasagot sila ng maayos and kahit na may technical difficulties na pa-process pa rin nila ng maayos yung emotions and feelings nila. So ayun po, kino-congratulate ko po silang lahat and ayun lang, I was amazed po kanina and I enjoyed po